Salami slicing in research. Salami slicing is an unethical publication practice where a researcher divides the findings of a single research study into multiple smaller publications, often referred to as slices, rather than presenting the complete results in one comprehensive paper. Characteristics. This practice involves artificially fragmenting a coherent research project into the least publishable units to increase the total number of publications. For example, a researcher conducting a large survey on student performance might publish separate papers for math scores, science scores, and language scores separately, even though all data originated from the same study and could have been meaningfully presented together. When it becomes unethical. Salami slicing is considered a form of redundant publication and is deemed unethical when the divisions are artificial and lack substantial new insights in each slice. The sole intention is to inflate publication count for career advancement, publish or perish culture. Each paper does not make a unique and significant contribution to knowledge. Consequences. This practice fragments the scientific literature, making it difficult for readers to understand the complete picture of a research study. It distorts the academic record, wastes journal resources, and can lead to skewed results in meta-analyses, where the same data might be counted multiple times. Academic institutions and journals consider salami slicing a violation of publication ethics, potentially leading to manuscript rejection, retractions, and damage to the researcher's reputation.